Everybody falls in love somehow. Something in your kiss just told me my sometime is now. Everybody finds somebody someplace. There's no telling where love may appear. Something in my heart keeps saying my someplace is here. If I had it in my power, I'd arrange for every girl to have your charm. Then every minute, every hour, every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime. And although my dream was overdue, your love made it well worth waiting for someone like you. If I had it in my power, I would arrange for every girl to have your charm.
Barik na nabi marusap dan wakil ng azaman. Amin amin ya rabbal alamin.
Every boy would find what I found in your arms. Everybody loves somebody sometime. And although my dream was overdue, your love made it
Sentiasa bahagia hingga ke terjujurlah insyaAllah.
for someone like you. Everybody loves somebody sometime.
Hi Myra. Hello Myra. Hi Myra and Izzat.
Okay, Assalamualaikum Myra dan Izzat.
Hi Myra, hi Izzat. I tahu you banyak kali fail in relationship and I ada dengan you daripada awal sampai lah today. We're still friends and I'm glad that you finally found the right one, which is Izzat. And I hope that you guys akan, selalu happy until ke anak cucu. And I hope I can see that moment, okay? I don't know, maybe your baby or like your little family. So I hope that kita akan still kekal kawan until that moment. So that's all.
So I'm truly honored to be one of your girls today. I didn't expect you to invite me to be one of the bridesmaids. It's very special to me, and I really harap seeing you getting married today brings you a lot of happiness, joyness in your life, and I doakan both of you happy ever after, always jaga each other, and bahagia sampai ke anak cucu. Yeah.
Assalamualaikum. Ni Rania. So Myra, Fatin pula. Rania nak cakap selamat bergantian baru dekat Myra. This is something new untuk Myra kan. So hopefully Myra boleh jadi isteri yang baik. Sama juga macam Izzat boleh jadi suami yang baik. Korang kena sentiasa bekerjasama lah kot. Saya tak tahu. Saya tak pernah berkahwin. Tapi hopefully korang menjalani perkahwinan ni dengan sentiasa bahagia, sentiasa memaafkan each other dengan rahmat, di bawah rahmat Allah. InsyaAllah. Semoga Izzat tak buat Myra stress. Myra nak habiskan masa. And semoga Myra juga cuba yang terbaik untuk jadi isteri yang solehah untuk Izzat. Good luck both of you. Bye.
Okay, ingat lagi tahun lepas Myra duk stress, duk rancang pasal perkahwinan ni. Okay, akhirnya tiba juga masa dia. Okay, tak ada apa pesanan pun sebab kau pun belum kahwin kan. Nak ucapkan selamat berganti baru je. Semoga Izzat layan Myra baik-baik, support Myra sebab Myra kan masih belajar sampai dia jadi doktor falsafah. Okay, semoga perkahwinan yang dibina kesuka lah. Cepat-cepat ada anak. Kalau Maria dan Izzat tak nak jaga tak apa, bagi Pika boleh jaga.
Sama pengantin baru, mula-mula bila Maira bagi tahu yang dia nak kahwin, very unexpected, but itu benda yang kita expect. Maira akan jalan dulu, and setelah melihat Maira ada beberapa tangisan semasa diploma, kini Maira bertemu dengan cinta abadinya. So I'm so happy for you guys, and nak doakan perkahwinan ni memberi kebahagiaan kepada Maira dan juga Izzat, dan semoga kekal hingga ke jannah. Amin. I love you guys. Bye.
Dan